The cutest craft ever! Hey everyone, this might just be one of the best crafts I've ever made. The most adorable tiny candy basket. But wait, it's not just for candy. You can use it for artificial plants or any other small and cute trinkets. Let's get started. Materials and prep. Here's what you'll need: cardboard, burlap cloth, burlap string, wooden sticks, glue, a paper cutter, and a ruler. First, grab a piece of cardboard and using a compass set at 5.5 centimeters, draw a smooth circle. Cut it out using a paper cutter for a clean finish. Apply glue around the edge and cover it with burlap cloth. Trim the excess fabric neatly, creating the base. Cut a 2-centimeter wide cardboard strip and wrap it in the same burlap cloth. Press the strip to make it flexible and easier to bend. Apply glue on the edges and wrap it around the circle. If it's not long enough, just add another strip to fill the gap. Secure all connections with paper tape so everything stays in place. Attach another piece of burlap cloth to the back, making sure it's slightly bigger than the circle. Cut small slits around the fabric so you can fold and glue it to the strip. Now you've got your base. Adding the structure using burlap string, wrap it around the base. Since my string was thin, I doubled it up. It makes wrapping so much easier. Time for the wooden sticks. Mark them at 10 centimeters with a ruler and cut them using a clipper, or scissors if you don't have one. Glue the sticks around the base, making sure they fit snugly into the cardboard openings. Leave about 1 centimeter of space between each stick. Now for the fun part: weaving. Wrap the burlap string around the base and begin looping it around each wooden stick one by one. At first, it might seem tricky, but trust me, you'll get the hang of it. Just keep securing the string after each loop so it doesn't shift. Once you've reached the top, glue it down securely and do a final wraparound for extra hold. Trim off the excess string and clip off any extra wooden stick length for a clean, even look. Finishing touches. Now let's add some stylish details. Braid a piece of burlap string and glue it around the top edge of the basket. Add a braided hanger for an extra cute touch. For extra flair, I also wrapped a braid around the bottom, but feel free to get creative with your own decorations. The final reveal, and here's the final masterpiece. I filled mine with candy and it looks absolutely adorable. But you can also use it for tiny plants, jewelry, or anything cute. Oh, and I added a tiny bow tie for extra charm. What do you think? Let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear your thoughts. What should I craft next? Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more creative DIYs.